What's going on, YouTube? So I haven't actually made a video doing this type of stuff before, but I just wanted to, for this first video, it's going to be kind of short, but I just want to show y'all, if y'all haven't ever put insulation up on a house. Right now I'm doing the walls, as you can see. But yeah, if you've never done insulation, I'm just going to give you a few tips, because right now I'm in my add-on and we already have the original part of the house done, but I'm having to add on for more family and all that. But in the original house we used, this is R19. Here, let me get out of the way. It's kind of hard to read, but yeah, here you go. So this is R19. We used R13 in the original part of the house, but when I went to Lowe's, I looked up the specs, and R19 is thicker, and this is rated for a 2x4, or this is rated for a 2x6 wall, but I went ahead and I tried this out on a 2x4 wall. And you can see that it sticks out a little bit, but once you put the sheetrock on there, it's not going to be too bad. But anyway, the biggest thing to note when you, let me get the tape measure. When you go to measure this stuff, it's pretty self-explanatory. But you're going to measure from the top of the stud to the bottom, which I got 93 inches, I think. There was a few like this one. I'm just having to it's not exactly the right width, so I'm just having to push it in there. But what was I saying? The main thing you want to do is, once you get your measurement, which you can see I've stapled after I put it in, stapled all the way up. When you measure, you want to add 1/2 inch, maybe an inch, so that way at your top and your bottom you have a tight squeeze. I've heard of a lot of people, when they put the insulation in, they'll leave a gap at the top and the bottom, and that's gonna really mess up your electric bill, because all that air is just gonna come through and you're not gonna have anything to stop it. So I don't know exactly how many videos I'll make on this. The lighting's not the best, but yeah, it's pretty basic. You got a hallway, a room, a bathroom, another room, and then here's the master with 2 French doors, double doors, whatever you want to call it. Then you got a walk-in closet. You got a closet for one, a closet for the other, and then back here's another bathroom. And as you can see, there's the actual other part of the house, which I'll have to cut a hole through here once I get ready. The AC's already, the air handler's been put in, but they haven't put the rest of it in yet. We got the ductwork going and all that good stuff, the electrical. I didn't actually I didn't dry it in. I did the main part of the house, but I've been working so much that I had to pay somebody to rough this in, but they did a pretty good job. I still got to get the windows. I'll show you. They're framed out, but as you can see, I just got to buy them, cut it out, and frame those in. But yeah, this was just a introduction video to kind of, I guess, show where I'm at. I kind of can't start from the beginning because this is where I'm at. But yeah, if you're doing insulation, like I said, just make sure you don't have any gaps at top and bottom. Make sure that you get the right kind of R value, where it's thick enough that it's going to keep that cold air out and that warm air in. And then of course you'll staple along the sides after you get it in. If y'all comment and want me to do a video and put one of these up, I will. It's not too bad. It's pretty easy. You just put it in and staple it on the flaps on the these little side things it comes with. And then yeah, I normally buy the roll that you roll out, measure, and cut with a knife blade. Anyway, that's it for now. If you got any questions or things y'all can think that y'all want me to do in here, just leave a comment, and I'll read them and see what I think. But anyway, thank y'all.